Blush placement can completely transform your face, whole face.
It's not just about color area, it's about placement. Let's start with understanding your natural structure. Your cheekbones guide where blush should sit. Different areas create different effects. Lifting, softening, or balancing your features. This is the most common starting point. But it's not always the best for everyone. Let's refine it. Higher placement creates a lifted look. Blend upward, never downward. This technique sculpts without contour.
Always keep the center of the face light.
Blending toward the temple adds elegance. The result feels natural and refined. Texture should always look like skin. Balance is more important than intensity. Light placement enhances bone structure. Now let's tailor it to face shape. Round faces benefit from higher placement. Long faces need width, not height. Small changes make a big difference. There is no single perfect placement. Only the one that suits you. Beauty is about balance. If this helped you, please like, comment, subscribe, and share.